everybody is bullish. This is coin market cap. You can see that overall the market cap is up by 4%, and CMC 100 index is up 3%. Fear and greed neutral around 52. You can see the trading coins SUI, DIP, Pi, BTC, Cerebro. Alright, now everybody is bullish and people were like Bitcoin is going to beat 100k mark very soon. You see, the truth is that everybody is confused. I could remember a few weeks back, every crypto influencer on YouTube were like, dump now, sell now, we are going to 50k, we are going to 40k, we are going to 65k. That was the news everywhere. But right now, the same influencers like us are still saying maybe we might beat 100k mark very soon. All right, I want you to understand what is happening. You see, for the next 3 years, it's going to be like this, because cryptocurrency, in fact, Bitcoin to be specific, is being traded like meme coin right now. It's being pumped and dumped by one man, which happened to be the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump. So take it or leave it. All the analysis, all the trends, all the charts might not hold strength for the next 4 years, because whatever Trump says, whatever policy he makes, sends a very hot wave to the market. Now, you see, during the election, you saw how the market reacted. After the election, during the rumor of UX Bitcoin strategic reserve, the market reacts. And at the end of the day, it was a scam, because the rumor was that USA will be buying, BTC for reserve. But at the end of the day, that was not the news proper. Okay, so right now is tariff on China and other countries, and I bet you at the end of the day, Trump, just the way he have lifted tariff for 90 days, at the end of the day they are going to resolve it with China, and the market will still react, and he will still come up with something else. So I think Bitcoin for the next 3 years is going to be about news. Okay, like buy the rumor, sell the news. You understand? All these charts does not work anymore. You can see crypto bubbles, SUI doing very well, Jasmine and some other coins. Okay, this is BTC here. You can see that for the last couple of weeks right now, I think we'll be doing very well. And right now you can see the daily candle turning red. If you observe, I have on this chart two moving averages, okay, SMA 200 and XMA 50. As you can see, the yellow one is 50 and the blue one 200, and you can see a cross here. Let me just take off this circle. You can see we have a cross here. So very soon I think the market is going to reverse, if it haven't reversed already at this mark, because the two moving averages have crossed. You can see the green, the yellow crossing above downward. So it might reverse here, or maybe in a couple of days we'll see a reversal, which might send the market back to around 80k. That is not a financial advice, okay, just my own opinion. But what I want you to know right now is that all the market cycles, all the BTC dominance, altcoin season, all these terminologies that used to work will not work for the next 3 years, because we have a crypto president whose word or policies or rumor is capable of sending BTC either up or down. So keep your ears to the ground and just be on X, be on his X account all the time. Try to research, news about cryptocurrency, and try to make informed decision as early as possible. Drawing these charts, up and down, I think it's not going to work this year. In fact, for the next 3 years, drawing all those things we used to draw here, up and down, finding support and resistance, drawing trend lines, and finding price where the price is now. It will not work. It will not work this year because I've been trading for the past 2 weeks. I just decided to because I wasn't around, so I decided to give my time to trading, and it was funny. If I have to be frank, you don't need to subscribe for DXTV or Netflix anymore. Just have like 1K or 2K in the market and play with your emotions, because this market is crazy. This cycle is really crazy, because few few days back everybody was like, we are going 50K, but this is what is happening. So that's why whatever we say here is not a financial advice. We just say our mind, and I tell you that the pumping and dumping of BTC lies in the tongue, the words of the mouth of Donald Trump, to be frank, for the next 3 years. So that's what's up. Try to trade carefully, and I believe those that will make money this cycle are traders, not holders, because you know that as BTC goes up, every other altcoin goes up. As it comes down, every other altcoin crashes. So that is the power of BTC. That is why it's the king of the market. And right now, Trump himself pumps and dumps this, in fact, the whole market at will. So that's information I'm giving you for free. If you know how to trade, I think you will make money. But holding, anything can happen because the market is uncertain. So that's what's up. Trade with caution. There is uncertainty in the market. Anything can happen depending on what Trump decides to say. I believe that very soon they are going to resolve whatever conflict they have with China, the tariff conflict. They're going to resolve it, and you can see how the market will react. Or maybe the fight continues. Just stay safe and peace.